we want to talk about the power of a hypothesis test. The power of a hypothesis test is the probability of rejecting a false null hypothesis. That's a good thing. We want to reject a hypothesis that's false. And so power is the complement of a type 2 error. Let's go a little more in depth. So what is the power? Well, by definition, the power of a hypothesis test is the probability of rejecting a false null hypothesis. It is 1 minus beta. Remember beta? That's the probability of committing a type 2 error. A power of at least 0.8 is a common requirement for a hypothesis test. So that would be the power is at least 80%. If we know the significance level, remember that's alpha, and we have the required power, so the power comes from 1 minus beta, so that means we've predetermined both our type 1 error, which is equal to the significance level, and our type 2 error, which allows us to determine power. Then this would allow a researcher to determine a minimum sample size needed for a study. All of those deep calculations would be done with a statistics software. And Minitab can do them for you. What's more important to us, though, is understanding what they mean. So when we talk about the power of a study, that really is talking about the idea of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is false. So the power is talking about our ability to make a correct decision.